Today we're delving into an increasingly hot topic in the tire industry: premium versus China-made budget tires. With the market flooded with options, the choice between investing in premium brands like Continental and opting for budget-friendly alternatives from China companies like Double Coin has never been more relevant. Meet the Double Coin DC99, a budget-friendly, China-made tire known for its affordability and versatility. Let's see how it performs against the premium giants. And then, there's the Continental PremiumContact 7, a tire that epitomizes the premium segment with its advanced technology, superior materials, and unparalleled performance. It's the benchmark for safety, efficiency, and handling, but comes at a higher price point. In the crucible of wet conditions, the distinction between premium and budget tires becomes stark. Take the Continental PremiumContact 7, a premium tire designed for excellence in wet braking and handling. It demonstrates a 15 meters shorter stopping distances, crucial for avoiding accidents in rainy conditions. Wet handling tests further highlight the gap. The PremiumContact 7 navigates wet courses with precision and confidence, offering drivers superior control. In contrast, the Double Coin DC99, while safe, trails behind in grip and response time, reflecting in its longer lap times and subjective handling scores from seasoned test drivers. But the wet test story isn't just about braking and handling. Aquaplaning resistance is a critical safety feature, where the Continental PremiumContact 7 showcases its superior design, maintaining traction and control even when water pools on the road, a scenario where budget tires like the DC99 struggle to keep up. Switching gears to dry conditions, PremiumContact 7 continues to dominate, offering enhanced handling and braking, essential for both day-to-day driving and emergency situations. Comfort on the road isn't just about handling, it's about the journey. Here, the Double Coin DC99 makes a case for itself, with its lower noise output promising a quieter ride, though with a nod to the performance trade-offs involved. And when it comes to rolling resistance, which directly influences your vehicle's fuel efficiency, premium tires like the PremiumContact 7 edge ahead, offering tangible savings over the tire's lifespan. It is clear that premium tires like the Continental PremiumContact 7 are designed to excel, providing unmatched safety and performance. The trade-off for budget tires, like the Double Coin DC99, comes in their lower price point, balanced against the compromises in wet and dry performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.